Yes, good afternoon children, 4th class English. Now we have already what now here see, identify them. What here words also rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence. We have jumbled letters jumbled words also have you have complete the word sentence also. Now see here, have we only dogs too? This one correct sentence? No. Yes. Yeah. How do you write now? Yes, we have, we have, see now we have only, two dogs, two dogs. Yes, no? Right, correct word, no? Sentence, see, no? This one also wrong, this sentence right, this one? No, this one wrong sentence also. How do you write? Correct sentence you have write down, Nana. Have we only dogs too? This one wrong sentence. You write what now? We have only two dogs. That one. Next one. Understand you did what? This one wrong sentence, no? Yes, understand you did what? How do you write? What you have question? What did you understand? What did you? Here I also have a what did you? What did you understand? What did you understand? Yes, no? Yes. The next one, how these work very easy. His. What he are writing? No? His work is very hard. Very hard. Very hard. Yes. Now, long day walk she all. This one wrong sentence now. How do you write? Stress. I will write them now. Yes. She walk. She walk. She walk. She walk. She walk. No, that one. Yeah. All day she walk long. All day she walk long. That one you have right. She walk long. All day. ప్రతిరోజు ఆమె దూరంగానే నడుస్తూనే ఉంటారు. All day she walk long. Yes, no? This one understand all of you? Yes. Rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence. This one wrong sentence also have. You have complete the correct sentence. You have write down and all of you. Okay. Complete the correct sentence. You have write down. Okay. Example here also have no. I will give them two sentences also. You have write down. How do you write? No. Walk fast, running. Walk fast, running. How do you write? No. I will tomorrow homework. This one you write down. Okay. Sixth one. Next big elephant nice. How do you write this one? You have tomorrow homework. You have only two only. You have write down this one only. See them. How do you write? No. See them. Teacher, how do you write? No. This one also. This one word. This sentence also wrong. You have correct them sentence also. You write down and all of you. Okay. Two only. And next one. What you write? No. Next one. Next word here. Again singular and plural. Yes, no? Yes. One only have answer, that one answer singular. So many answers. See here, I will get chalk piece. This one only chalk piece, only singular answer hai na. This one what is singular, this one. See, I will give so many chalk pieces also have no what can no plural also chalk pieces, no chalk pieces. Now same as this is some words also have no, yes, food, facility, 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 sun, man, star. This one what writing none all of you? Foot. Also one only have no singular. This one what writing plural? Feet. Facility. What night writing? Facilities. Facilities. Na? Sun. Sun. Sun only singular also have no? Sun. You have what writing? Sun. Man. Man also singular also what you are writing plural also? Men. Okay. Star. Stars. Okay. This one singular and plural. And next one, what here? I will give them some opposite words also. Hand. What you writing homework also? Hand. You write. Bench. Bench. Next one. Chalk. Chalk. Okay. Next one. What writing? No. Flower. Flower. You have write down on this one singular. Singular this one you have write down, plurals write down on flower. And next one what writing? Pen. Write down this one homework. Tomorrow homework. This one write down on all of you. And next one what now? Here some words also have on all of you. Okay. Here some rearrange the words. See here all here also have no letters, no jumble also I have. You have correct letters write down. No? Yes. See Surylu. What writing? AleWth. Next Eyn. Now rearrange the sentence here. What here? Spelling also luxury. Luxury. Next the wealth. 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 Next money. 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 And next one I will give them some duster also. So you have write down what how do you write no? This one also homework also. USTDRE. What writing? This one homework. And next one LKAC. Next one ENP. Next OOKB. This one you have write down. What now? Here already I will tell them. This one also how do you write no sentence no words also you have. This one homework also write down. This one letter also write down and tomorrow homework this one. And next one you write down this one and next one homework also. I will give them homework also. This one and like one this one. Okay. And next one see here. Next, what here also question also you have asked them. Are you going? Are you going? Are you going? Next, how do you write? Where are you going? Where are you going? Yes, no? And next one, see here. Seen and all of you? Yes. Add suitable questions. suitable question word. Question word. Next, is your class teacher? Is your class teacher? How do you write? Who is your class teacher? Simply, who is your class teacher? And next, what now? Old are you? Old are you? Tomorrow homework you this one. This one also write down. Okay. Next, dash your father. Dash your father. And next one, what? Next one, fifth one, what now? Dad, did you get late? You have this one, see them this way. Suppose, for example, are you going? How do you write? Where are you going? Next, is your class teacher? Is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher? You ask them. Now here I will give them homework also. This one also homework. Old are you? You have correct. How do you question ask them? This one also, and next one is your father. Next, did you get late? Did you get late? You have write down. Okay, tomorrow homework. Okay, all numbers. Okay.